Friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic. In today's video, we are looking at the best curbside deals over at Walgreens from the week of January the 11th to the 17th. Curbside means you're ordering this stuff through the Walgreens app, hitting the box on the left-hand side with the green check, opting to pick it up in store, paying for it, driving to the store and picking it up, and that is lovingly known as a curbside pickup. A lot of us have digital coupons that don't come off, this and that. This makes it just a little bit easier to shop, and there's so many deals for curbside this week. Alternatively, if you're the kind of shopper that likes to be in store, getting register rewards, because curbside there are no register rewards, but a lot of people like to use register rewards to lower their out-of-pocket the following week. Watch yesterday's video. This is one of my baskets. I went with the more expensive Scott's 1000, but what a basket. I'll link this video at the very end. And before we dive into the deals, if you guys could do me a huge kindness and please like this video, I would be so grateful. Or alternatively, if you have the hype button, consider pressing it. It really helps out the channel if you could take a second and do that. Thank you so much in advance, guys. Let's get right into it with an absolute free basket. So if you might have received this booster, 10 back when you spend 30, or you might alternatively have a 6 back when you spend 30. It's a one-time use, so pick and choose wisely how you wish to use it, but we're going to utilize this in the first basket. Okay, so for this one, we're going to be grabbing 3 of these poise pads. We currently have a $6 off of 2 and a $2.50 off of 1. I'll let you know that $2.50 off of 1, it did not come off for me in store, so I had to contact customer service yesterday. So maybe doing this curbside is the way to do it. Next little item that you're throwing into your basket is 2 of these Dove shampoos. When you buy 2 online, you're getting back $4 in Walgreens cash, and we have a 4 off 2 digital coupon, so make sure you have that friend loaded. Need a cheap little filler, so I just typed in clearance candy. These showed up for 49 cents, so why not? I just throw it into the basket. To show you the overall savings here, $6, $2.50 for poise, WAG 10 shaving off $1.25, and $4 off for the Dove shampoo. Our overall total is $31.49, subtracting $1.25, so we are still at $30.24. For the spend 30 to earn back 10, you're still there. Free pickup, tax, and $12.50 in digital coupons melting off. With your debit card, you're going to pay $19.53 and get back $24.31, which is a huge amount of Walgreens cash. 10 for the booster, 10 for poise, and 4 for Dove shampoo. This is a tremendous deal. And just to let you guys, poise pads are really great for any age, for, accidents or special times of the month, whatever. It's not just for an elderly group. Anyone can use them. I have been using poise pads, since I've been couponing. It's an excellent pad. So to get them for this price, it's absolutely a great deal. This next deal is a triple stack of boosters, which is we don't see often, and I'm here for it. The 10 back when you spend 30, have this one loaded, and we're also going to stack it with these 2. The 5 back when you buy 2 P&G cleaning products, and the 5 back when you buy 3 P&G dental care products. We're going to be grabbing 3 of these toothbrushes for $10.50. This is often one item that they have in abundance in store, so if you're worried about, your transaction being denied because they don't have enough in stock, like sometimes toothpaste is less, this would be the item I would personally grab. Also going to grab one of these Tide liquids for $12.99, and we have a $3 digital attaching to that, and the Tide Pods also for $12.99, and we have another $3 digital attaching to that. Show you guys the gorgeous chorus line. Here it is. $3, $5, $3, and WAG 10 taking an additional $2.55 off, so that's nothing to sneeze at. The overall total is $36.48 minus $2.55. You were at $33.93, so for the spend 30 to earn back 10, you're there. Free curbside pickup, $11 in digitals melting off. You're going to pay $24.97 with your debit card. Do not use Walgreens cash as you're using a lot of boosters. And then you're getting back $20. So not factoring in the tax, it's like $3 for everything. And this is just a tremendous deal with this triple stack. Now we're looking at a deal for some skincare. Again, if you might have this friend and you just really need some skincare, I get it. We're in the dead of winter, and I think most of us need some fancier skincare to get through this winter. We have this Olay Skin Firming Eye Cream with collagen and all that magic, and there is a 10 off of one that appeared yesterday, so load that. Keeping it extra fancy, we're also going to put in one of these Neutrogena Revitalift tinted lip balms for $12.49, and we have a $3 digital with that. And then just to show you the 3 and the 10 melting off the manufacturer coupons, and then $5.90 with Well 20. The overall total here is $42.48, $5.90 coming off with that Well promotion. So let's see, $5.90. We're at $36.58 for that $30 threshold. You're still there. $13 in digitals melting off. You'll pay $25.77 and get back $10, basically making the two products like $15, not factoring the tax, like probably $13. Not a bad little deal for the two products. It is a fancier eye cream and a really nice lip balm. Okay, so the last two deals we're looking at, you can use Walgreens cash because it's just an assortment of really great deals. So again, we're looking at that paper deal with the Scott. Buy 4, get $3 of Walgreens cash, and that is curbside. And for both the paper towel and the toilet paper, we have a $2 off 2 coupon. So that makes it absolutely fantastic. So for both curbside deals, you have to grab 2 of each. So 2 toilet papers and 2 paper towels. They're buy one, get one 50% off. So it's $7.50 per 2. So grab 2 of each. So that's really great to get this so cheap. Scott's 1000, unfortunately not part of this online, but these ones are. So 2 and 2, and then using the code WAG10, you're saving an additional $1.10. So that's not bad. So the overall total for this is $15, and then subtracting the $1.10 and $4, $10.73. You can use up to $10 in Walgreens cash, and you're getting $3 back. So this is a really great basket for some very inexpensive paper products. They don't go bad, so I would definitely stock up this week because this is a tremendous deal. The last deal that we're looking at is deal number 5. And this involves a lot of the Axe products that have very high value coupons. This brick deodorant, $7.49, buy one, get one 50% off with a 6 off 2 digital coupon. And our body wash, buy one, get one 50% off with a 5 off 2 digital coupon. The math is a bit short, so I had to throw in a little bit extra to get us over that $10 mark. So I have 2 of these sour gummies that are on clearance. Just type in clearance candy and whatever pops up for you. And then just to show you, 5 and 6 and 92 cents with WAG 10. The overall total was $21.19, 92 cents, $11 in digitals melting off. So $10.43. You can use up to $10 in Walgreens cash and pay 43 cents and call this a super duper deal. You are in the Midwest and have a Meijer grocery store. I just have 2 quick deals for you. You can do these up to Tuesday the 13th. On the 14th, the flyer changes over, which is Wednesday. I hate that they changed that as well because it's rather confusing. But this Friskies cat food is $5.59. We have a $1 digital coupon. You would pay $4.59 and then get back $3 from IBOTTA, making it $1.59 for a bag of cat food. You can do this with a limit of up to 2 times. If you do pick up the second bag, I think you get a 50-cent bonus. So it makes this cat food really cheap. And you might want to look through these Sally Hansen nail polishes. If it has the snowflakes on it, they're on clearance, part of the 90% off Christmas. So $1.02 for these fancier polishes. I wish we had some sort of Ibotta or digital coupon, but it is what it is. $1.02 for a product that's $10.29, not bad. So go and look for these. And yesterday's video, in case you missed it, in-store shopping over at Walgreens, linked right here. Check it out. Catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.